Hey, what's up YouTube? Rahul here back with an interesting video. This is a serious kind of video because I'm here to talk about a irritating website called InstaHackSor. There are so many advertisements about it. Like you get comments in each and every YouTube video that will talk about Instagram hacking. So what is all going on in this website? Here's a clear-cut view of this website. Without any further ado, let's get started.
A month ago, I decided to make these survey videos because in the past I was doing them and it really became a good hit to the channel. So I decided to do it again and refer more websites. And recently I uploaded a video called Can Insta Hacks or Hack Instagram? But that video was deleted from YouTube because many of the fans have reported it. They've reported the video as something spam or inappropriate. But here's the thing, there are so many websites in Google Chrome or wherever you search, and they advertise that they can hack Instagram easily. Like you just enter the username and press hack, and it will give you the password itself directly by doing something. In some websites, it will be like you have to download some apps. Whereas in case of this Insta hacks, are you have to place the comments on different videos. So even I have got some comments like that in my previous videos also. So guys, just don't copy paste the comments from the website itself. Just don't waste your time. The website is just using you to make more money so that more followers will come after seeing the comment that the Insta hacksaw will actually work, because so many members will have commented on the same video again and again with different comments that the Insta hacksaw team will prepare. No, actually, I don't want to tell it plainly like this. So here's the demonstration video, final video, and this is totally for the education purpose only. This is actually a survey video. So here's it. So once you open this instahaxor.com, the instahaxor.com or whatever it is, once you open that, you'll get a window like this, and then you need to enter the username. After entering the username, it's all just drama that it shows nonsense results like continuously numbers and alphabets mixed together, and it seems like the password is being it's like it shows like the website is actually hacking Instagram using so many different codes or something else. But that's not the case happening, because every time you do the same process, the same codes will run again and again. So it's nothing but a pre-programmed program, or what should I call, that's left to you to call it whatever you want. But after this, you'll get a link, click here to download the password, and once you click on that, you'll get a list of comments, and there you need to copy and paste it on particular videos and click verify and enter your what do you call, the YouTube name on which you have commented, and then it will give you the password. That's what they tell, but actually it won't happen like that. It will always show you have failed, there is something wrong with you, there is something wrong with the process that you have done. So it will be stuck there. Now what do you have to do? You have already placed the comments on different videos, you can't delete because again it will take more time, and company will take complete advantage of this. The comments are placed on the YouTube videos, and the company will be very famous, and also more viewers will come to the company and do the same thing that you have done. You're actually advertising the company and also fooling around and fooling others who don't know much about this one. So before doing something on internet, please do think and then carry on with your process. Because things like this will mislead a ton of other people who will watch YouTube videos. Because YouTube is one of the most popular video platforms. So most of the people will search in YouTube and they'll take the wrong direction like you. So you need to stop it. In case you have time, type something like the Insta Hacker doesn't work. Please don't go like this. It is actually a scam. And please appreciate survey videos like this, because it is very absurd that people report these kind of survey videos and go on others. So that's all I wanted to tell. I hope you guys understood the meaning of survey videos and the true nature of instahacksaw.com.
So that was pretty much everything about this particular irritating, annoying website. I hope you guys liked this survey video. If yes, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care, guys.